Last New Year, I got a present from my friend. It was a mug with my name written on it. Well, actually, it wasn't really written. It was a dot painting made in the shades of slithering green. I do DIY myself, and that is why I really appreciate handmade gifts. But the thing is that in my family we usually drink tea from such little similar cups, and I wanted to keep this mug on plain sight, so I decided to just put it on my desk and use it as a brush holder. One day I decided to give my house a spring cleaning and wash all my brushes and pencil cup holders, including this mug. I'm not sure why, but maybe the water I used was too hot or the paint wasn't safe for washing, but as a result the dot painting started to come off the mug. I got extremely worried about it. I asked my friend if I could remake everything, and hopefully she said that it was up to me. So I decided to peel it completely off and make a similar design in the same shades of slithering green, but using my favorite font and making the name fit in only on the one side of the mug. To make a stencil, I drew the letters on the self-adhesive paper. And cut them out. After that, I attached them to the mug. I took the same shades of green and started to apply the paint with a brush. A bit later, I used a skewer to make some little dots. Actually, this is a truly universal tool, and I think I use it in every artwork that I do. When the paint dried, I started to remove the stencil, and then I discovered that the paint had leaked under it. I decided to scratch off the excess using the same wooden stick, and it was at that moment I realized that my paint was quite easy to scratch off the ceramic mug. So I scratched the spots where there was too much of paint, and the spots which I didn't really like and wanted to remake, I applied some extra paint. It dried, and after that I scratched out new and lovely letters. And here is what I've got. Now I know that under no circumstances I should wash this mug. But still, in addition, I applied a layer of the transparent protective varnish. It was an interesting technique. I would recommend it for those who likes making presents. Maybe some decor on mugs, the thing is to choose the right paint, or maybe on phone cases, like, those one with names. I think it is one more chance to create something interesting. And let me tell you about my nickname Masherisha. When I was a little girl, my mom called me Masheri, which sounds like my name Masha. Also, ma chérie means my dear if to translate it from French. I used the combination Masherie as a nickname for a while. But then my friend added the suffix sha to it, and it turned into Masherisha. It sounds a little better and more natural in my language. So I started to use this name everywhere. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave your comments down below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. I love you this much. Bye!